Hi guys, so I'm back and we're gonna select the winner of the giveaway that I'm holding. I normally do these on a live, but my phone is giving me a little bit of a problem, so I have to do it with my camera. It's gonna take me a little bit longer, but it's okay. So I already went ahead and copied and pasted the URL here onto YouTube Random Comment Picker. It says that I have 20 unique commenters. I haven't hit the start button yet, so let's see who wins. But before that, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who participated in the giveaway. And when I hit 1,000 subscribers, it's gonna be there's gonna be another giveaway. And yeah, thank you guys so much for your support, and good luck everybody. Let's see who wins. Okay, so it's saying that it is Marilyn Zismer. Marilyn Zismer. So you are the winner. Marilyn, congratulations. So Marilyn, I have all I need you to do is send me your details in my email is in the description box below. So if you can do that within 48 hours, I'm much appreciated. And yeah, congratulations. And for everybody else, thank you so much for participating, and stay tuned for another giveaway when I hit 1,000. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.